tortillas are very important with the Hispanic people because, first of all, you can't eat beans without tortillas. And it's just something that we're so used to. I think every family, every Hispanic family gets for their kids to learn how to make them.
We have a booth and we kind of entice the children or the adults to come in, and we will demonstrate making a batch, and then we entice them to roll it out, and then we will cook it for them, and then they can eat it, and it's free. So I am going to dump at least, I'll say 3 cups for now. So I put a teaspoon maybe of baking powder, about a teaspoon as well. So I'll say maybe half a cup or so of the Crisco. And you just mash it up in here. And then we just going to add warm water. I like to use warm water because it makes the dough a little bit softer. I just put a little bit on my hand, and I'll put this on the side, and then I'll just finish kneading it just until the dough comes out nice and smooth. And then you're going to make nice little balls. We call them bolitas, but that just means balls. Okay? And this should make maybe a dozen.
Okay, and then I start making them larger.
Okay, there's the finished product. We wish we could be at the Tardeada this year.
But we will be with you next year.